Hey, what's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders. Doing some scans right now on the weekend. Today is Saturday, August 6th, and right now I'm looking at Agrx on the daily chart, and we're going to very quickly go over this and just do a quick technical analysis and breakdown of some possible bullish plays we see going on. And just want to look real quick on this. All right, so I had a past line drawn on this. I guess this might have been from probably drew this all the way back in what's this 2018. So this ticker does kind of look familiar, but I don't remember trading anytime recently. But overall, you can see that's in a pretty gnarly downtrend. Probably a lot of RSs too, saying that the high was 527. That's probably reflecting on a lot of reverse splits. Let's go down to the daily of the year. Same thing, downtrend, and we have that old line coming in, that red line of that was support, now resistance, and you can see that it was resistance right here as well on April 28th, 2022. It pretty much acted as resistance over here on um, June 28th, 2022. Interesting, both of them on the 28th. Anyway, so looking right now, I can see that the it's not really oversold. It's kind of the RSI is kind of like going sideways. There's not too much action on this, but I do want to just go down here and see that this MAC right here down here is starting to get close to that positive area, which is going to be pretty interesting for bulls. But let's go down to the 10-day, 30 minutes, maybe even the hourly. Let me see just how this is looking. Yeah, I like the 30-minute a little bit more. All right, so we're starting to see a little bit of life around this $50, 50-cent mark. I'm going to actually add that in. Looks like 50 cents has became an area of support. You can see that price action has just been pretty bouncing and holding that, and now started to put in some higher lows. So pretty interesting. This might be the start of something, a decent move coming up. So let's put this right here at 62 as an area resistance. Now this was mainly during aftermarket hours, but I don't mind doing it right there at 62. And put in those lower highs right on up here. Might even be able to draw this all the way out. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, we have these higher lows coming up, and we're testing the 62, 63 area. So looking at the float, it has a little over 4 million, and about 25% of this float is short right now. So this might make a move up to $1. I'm starting to think we might get up to that dollar range. Yeah, old resistance was up there. All right, so yeah, I'm starting to think we might be able to get up to that dollar range. We're going to need a lot of volume to come in on this, but this is something to keep on your radar. If you see this price start to get past the 62, 63, you might want to keep an eye on it for a nice push to $1 mark. After that $1 mark, if there's enough shorts getting caught in this, you might see it. This is a horrible yearly chart. It's tough to kind of zoom up on. We might go up and retest that 350 area. But I would say overall $1, 220, and then 350. So again, $1, 220, and 350 is the areas we're going to want to be looking at. But interesting play, just something to keep on the back burner and keep an eye on for any volume and that 62, 63 area. All right, thank you for watching, traders.